Hello, people. This, as you can see, is a Holi special, and I have my closest friend with me today. This is Renu, and we are here at this place called New Club, which I've shot here before, and my child is having the time of his life. He's just 5 years old, and we are having some nice snacks and. Uh, we were holding a discussion on very serious subjects just now, about see, people, we should enjoy Holi or any festival for that matter, because you never know. As of last year, I remember seeing photos of Sridevi ma'am enjoying at some, she was at things. So we are never sure. I don't know whether I'll be around for the next Holi. So however strange, however weird I look right now, I'm just grateful to God that I'm able to celebrate this today. And this friend of mine has a very sweet smile. So this is a YouTube video, and so that's what people just celebrate each moment, because you never know when it's your last. Yeah. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.